Welcome back to another episode of Atraya Ayurveda. Those who are joining me now, my name is Krishna and I was introduced to Ayurveda by my wonderful parents. By the way, thank you for all the comments for my last video and for subscribing. I was really happy. Summer's finally here and everyone loves swimming during the summer. So do I. I got 3 gold medals in my school for swimming. You know, when you get in the pool, get out of the pool, get in the pool again, get out of the pool. And then the next thing you know, your sinus is stuffed, then you start sneezing. So, when you go to your home and your parents see you sneeze, they'll tell, "Oh, you're sneezing so much, so you can't go to swimming for 3 days." But I have a great solution for it. Turmeric to the rescue! Take a dash of turmeric. Then take a dash of cinnamon. Then take a whole lot of honey. That is yummy. Make it into a yummy paste and lick it. It's so yummy. That is so simple and it'll work. Please subscribe and leave a comment down below. Atraya family.